Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Acer Predator Helios 18AI PH18-73. For full lab tests and benchmarks, visit LaptopMedia.com, link below. Let's start. To access the internals, remove 10 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We are using a Torx T6 screwdriver. All bottom cover screws are the same length. Use a thin plastic tool to release the cover clips. Do not push inward to avoid damaging components. Bottom cover is off. Above the SSD area, the cover has a cooling plate with a thermal pad. On the left, above the other two SSD slots, there is another thermal contact zone. Before anything else, disconnect the battery connector here. Next, we remove the primary SSD. The RAM is under this cover. Here is the discrete GPU. And here are the VRMs. The CPU is here as well. Here is the Wi-Fi module. These are the two extra SSD slots. Start with the battery connector. The battery is not screwed down, so keep the laptop upright while opening. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Battery connector is unplugged. This is a 4-cell battery, 99.98 watt-hours typical, 96.67 watt-hours rated. We remove the primary SSD. There is a second thermal pad under it. This is M22280. Slot 1 supports PCI Express 5. Slots 2 and 3 are PCI Express 4. The installed drive is SK Hynix NVMe 1 TB. Reinstall the SSD and secure its screw. Wi-Fi card, Killer Wi-Fi 7 BE1750X. Now peel back the RAM film carefully. Do not tear the black EMI and RFI shield over the RAM sticks. The label shows valid RAM population layouts for efficient dual-channel operation. We remove and reinstall the module in slot 1. Memory type is DDR5 SO-DIMM. Official support is up to 192 GB across 4 modules, up to 4400 megatransfers per second with 1 or 2 modules, and up to 4000 with 3 or 4. This is the RAM stick in slot 2. Final look at the internals. 2 fans, multiple heat pipes, battery, Wi-Fi card, 4 RAM positions, and 3 M2 SSD slots. That was the teardown and upgrade access of the Predator Helios 18AI. For thermals and fan noise, display quality, and battery life results, see the full review on LaptopMedia.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more teardown videos.